Okay, let's do a recap of all the stupid AC shit that we've done this year. Okay, so we have a new compressor. We have a new line from the compressor to the condenser with a new switch. Well, not a new plastic switch, but a new metal part. And we have a new line from the condenser back to here. So, motherfucker better work. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work?
Yeah.
Yeah? He says, yeah. Fingers crossed, Joe. I'm so fucking tired of being hot. I feel bad for my pets. Poor little meow pants and the pupper dogs. So, let's recharge the motherfucker and pray to God we got AC.